Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to download and install Steam on your PC. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. To download Steam, open your favorite browser and type Steam download. The link is also in the description. Then click on Install Steam. After the downloading setup, Steam, select your language and browser, and then click Install. The installation part is lengthy, so I am skipping it. After the installation, open Steam and create an account. I already have an account, so I'm logging in. After login, you can play any game on Steam. Some games are paid and some are free. So guys, if this video really helped you, then don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.